Attention all educators, are you ready to connect, believe, and achieve? Join us for the Above and Beyond 2025 Spring Conference, happening Saturday, March 15th at California State University, Fullerton. Whether you're a new teacher or a seasoned pro, this free event is your chance to collaborate with passionate educators, hone your craft, and build your professional learning community. There will be dynamic sessions of interdisciplinary workshops, as well as practical tips for your ELA, math, science, and social science classrooms. This is a vibrant community that will leave you inspired. Space is limited and registration closes February 15th, so don't wait. Secure your spot now. Learn more and register at abovebeyond.org. Let's transform education together. See you there.